like to talk about financing. So the government basically has two insurance programs for banks. One is called Fannie Mae, and that's the government agency that handles residential loans insurance. And the other is called Freddie Mac, and that's a government agency that insures commercial loans. Well, if you have good credit and a good down payment and you want to buy a house and you put 20% down, you'll get an 80% loan, and you'll have this, the bank will have Fannie Mae to back up that loan in case you go sideways and they have to foreclose on it. Well, what if you don't have a lot of credit? Or what if you don't have any credit? Well, that's where I found myself at the ripe old age of 19. And what I learned is if I found a building that had, an apartment building, for example, that had more than 5 units, it fell under the Freddie Mac government lending insurance program. And so I had no credit. I was just a kid. But what I did is I said, I'm going to buy this building and I'm going to get an 80% loan, and I'm going to get friends to help me buy it, and we all put money in, and I qualified for the loan. Is it because I had good credit? No, I didn't have any credit. But what it did is the property qualified for the loan. So if you have either good credit or no credit, and you want to buy an apartment building of 5 units or more, or any kind of commercial loan, you can pretty much count on coming up with just a down payment and not having to have a huge amount of credit history. And so it makes buying those properties easier. So keep that in mind when you're looking to finance property.